This is The Brief on the psychology of human fear and climate anxiety. So it turns out, looking at why we're so totally terrified of horror movie monsters explains exactly why our brains just kind of short circuit when it comes to processing the very real crisis of climate change. First, it all starts with our evolutionary fear. You see, humans have this ancient fear system hardwired to instantly spot fast, visible threats. Things like predators, snakes, and spiders. It's exactly why fictional monsters trigger such deep, immediate terror in us. Honestly, it's like our brains have a built-in primal security system that is perfectly calibrated for a hungry tiger, but completely ignores a slow carbon monoxide leak. Second, this crazy evolutionary mismatch leads directly to the faulty alarm hypothesis. Because global warming is just so incredibly slow, complex, and invisible, it entirely bypasses our ancient risk detection system. So because this threat doesn't have fangs or claws, our brains just hit the snooze button? Well, unfortunately, yes. Finally, this research totally flips traditional climate messaging on its head by exposing our defense mechanisms. When that massive dread of climate change actually does register, the anxiety is so overwhelming that we throw up these big psychological shields, like shutting down completely, apathy, or ironically, manic overconsumption, just to protect our egos from the apocalyptic grief of it all. This basically means that blasting the public with doom and gloom fear tactics actually backfires, driving people way deeper into denial rather than inspiring any real action. By understanding the evolutionary and psychological blind spots making us fear fictional monsters more than real-world ecological collapse, we can stop relying on panic and start building collective resilience.